Take off my makeup with me, clown edition. Okay, these obviously aren't my real eyes, so let's get these contacts out. Oh my lord, I can see. Okay, this is probably gonna hurt me. Oh my gosh. Ow, ow. Ow. I'm gonna spray this. And now, we wipe. Oh my. Let's get the other eye. Oh my gosh, I have eyelashes on. I completely forgot I had these on. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. Let's get this wig off. These beautiful lashes. Now I'm gonna use my drunk elephant makeup melt. Okay, here we go. Look at my hand. Okay, now I'm taking this wet makeup towel. I'm just gonna start wiping. I'm gonna go wash my face and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I still have some glitter on me, but now I'm going in with this moisturizer. Now I'm gonna add some hydration serum and look at this thing. That's all, but thanks for watching.
What's this?
This is the North Pole.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Where's the snow?
Why are you smiling like that?
I just like to smile. Smiling's my favorite.
Make work your favorite. That's your favorite, okay?
Okay.
Work is your new favorite.
Fine.
It's time for the announcement. Okay, people, tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town.
Santa! Oh my God! Santa here? I know him. I know him.
Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Happy almost Halloween. Let's take this off again, because I would like to see again, because currently I can't really see. Honestly, my problem is really easy to solve, because all I gotta do is this. Oh, my poor eyes. They were watering so much and my phone is falling white. I actually really like how the mouth came out, because from far away, I can like... Oh, so cool. But I gotta take it off. Okay, wish me luck. Ow! I don't think it was fully dry either, which made it extra gross. Still got some teeth and cotton and whatever else I had on my face left. Undisclosed liquids. Ew. I just realized I had a filter on this whole time. Let's take it off. There we go. The crazy thing is that I'm moving in less than 12 hours, so this is actually the last makeup look I will ever film in my current apartment. Time flies and it's really scary, but I think whatever's happening on my face is probably a little more scary than that. But I am gonna go shower and I love you guys. Mwah, wish me luck with the move. Bye.
Get unready with me, Ice Queen edition. I'm gonna take the headband off. I literally sprayed my hair white. Take these contacts out. I can see. I feel like these are gonna be hard to get off. Oh gosh. This is literally hot glue that I made look like an icicle. Shouldn't hurt as bad on my forehead. It's a gem right there. Get this glitter off. Or not. I'm gonna go shower and get this out of my hair.
Of course, chocolate never hurts. Like what? They're cocoa beetles from Zanzibar.
I want to be with my real mom and dad. I want you to let me go.
Is that any way to talk to your mother?
You aren't my mother.
Apologize at once, Coraline.
No.
I'll give you to the count of 3. 1, 2,
3! What are you doing? Ow, that hurts!
You may come out when you've learned to be a loving daughter.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with liquid latex in so long, or it feels like it's been so long. Gotta pluck my feathers, if you know what I mean. I really just have this giant beak on my face. Oh, not anymore. Oh, the liquid latex is still there. No. Just kidding, that was a test. You know, I didn't feel anything. Took me so long to draw, but oh well, bye-bye. Nightmare fuel. I'm covered in paint, so I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll be right back. I took a shower and I am all clean now.
Get the neck. Tell me why that's kind of working. Whipped cream is not a good cleanser, but NYX Cosmetics is a good makeup line, so go check them out.
Okay, objectively, this is not my favorite makeup look that I have done, but I still have to take it off. There are a lot of layers of tights on my face, and they're squeezing my head and squeezing out the last remnants of a brain cell that I have. I just used all the incorrect words to prove my point. Also, I got liquid latex on my shirt, and now I have to throw out the shirt, which is really sad. Although these things aren't like really coming off, so I'm just gonna go from the bottom. Oh. But of course, that's not it. Ow. Oh, is there latex in my eyebrow? I think there is. The light in my bathroom just turned on by itself and the fan turned on. There's no one in the bathroom, huh? And I just moved to a new apartment. I'm so happy that all my ghosts came with me and I have foundation in my hair. Ugh. Doing the makeup is always so much fun and I'm always so miserable when I take it off. Anyways, my skin is not really happy right now, but I am mostly clean.
Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Zombie Minion Edition. Okay, I genuinely don't think anybody has done this before. This blood under my eyes is so sticky. Oh God. If this isn't commitment to good content, I don't know what is. It's kind of coming off. My ears are stained yellow, but I'm gonna go shower.
I like colored pencils, choose my makeup, and this is what they chose. And I can't even lie, like I'm so proud of myself for making the colors work because they weren't. And now I want to get a bob because on top of that, it is 3 a.m. right now, so I kind of have to take this off. Okay, it's fine. I took 4 pictures. It's gonna be enough. I'm thinking we do a makeup print because I didn't spend hours doing this for nothing, yeah? And I swear if my removal video does better than my, like, makeup video, I'm going to punch a wall. Anyways, I won't be able to talk while doing the makeup print, so cue in the time lapse. Oh. I may be crazy, but why is it giving Bibble? You know Bibble from like the Barbie movies? This is giving Bibble. Oh my God. Let me know, do we think this is album worthy or do I throw it out? I'll keep it to the side for now. Let me know. Anyways, I'm gonna go wash my face. Let's hope that this doesn't stain because I have a dentist appointment at 8 a.m. Which I'm now realizing is in 5 hours. Anyways, I don't want to sleep anyways. Well, hey, what's up you guys? Guess what time it is? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Obviously, there's no prosthetics on my face, so I'm probably just gonna end up doing a makeup print. Ooh. I'm gonna take my wig off, so bear with me while I look insane. My light just fell on my table and almost knocked over a full cup of water. Speaking of water, I'm gonna very lightly spray my face. That's good. This is just gonna help the makeup transfer better. Okay, let's go for it. We're going to take my lash off. Come on. Oh my god, let's go! This is what I'm talking about. There's some wrinkles, but overall, success. I love the chest piece, but it's too big for any makeup wipe, so eh. But it is time for the nightmare fuel. Wait, first. This is so sad. I look like the moon emoji again, but I think I'm gonna need to take the rest of this off in the shower. Say hello, Jeff. Hello, Jeff. I don't think I'm allowed to say his last name on TikTok, but it's time to take this off again. Let me actually take the filter off. Wait. A lot less scary without the filter, but what can I say? I know it's October, but I'm overheating. It's so freaking hot here. Every time I do a makeup look that requires a change of clothes, it's always stained. Like, I have to wash this now. And I only wore it once. Ugh. My poor washing machine. The question is, how do I take out my contacts with these nails? I'm gonna slide it to the corner. I'm gonna stab it with my nail. Boom, it's out. I'm a professional. Oh, since it's October, I'm going to be continuing my makeup print collection. This is some of the looks from last year. So I'm doing a makeup print. Neutrogena, please sponsor me. A gentle spritz with water. Now it's time for the print. Woo. Oh, oh. Oh, girl, that is terrifying. This is more terrifying though. Oh my god. She's going in the album. If that wasn't scary enough, we need more nightmare fuel. I look like the moon emoji. Okay, cute. And I'm gonna go shower. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys.
What's up, you guys? So I was transformed into a grandmother, and now it is time to take off the look because I've had it on for like 5 minutes, did my pictures and videos, and that's really all I did it for. So I had to scrape all this gunk off my teeth. And literally this latex on my skin is like impossible to get off because of how thin it is. So we had to call in some backup. My friend Caesar is helping me wipe this stuff off and it's kind of working. Now we got a third hand up in here. Shout out to Taylor. We're all wiping, we're scrubbing, and it's hurting my skin a lot. We've literally been at this for like a half an hour now and it's still not all off. It literally took the same amount of time to take it off as it did to put it on. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Obviously, there's no prosthetics on my face, so I'm probably just gonna end up doing a makeup print. Ooh. I'm gonna take my wig off, so bear with me while I look insane. My light just fell on my table and almost knocked over a full cup of water. Speaking of water, I'm gonna very lightly spray my face. That's good. That's just gonna help the makeup transfer better. Okay, let's go for it. We're going to take my lash off. Come on. Oh my god, let's go. This is what I'm talking about. There's some wrinkles, but overall, success. I love the chest piece, but it's too big for any makeup wipe, so eh. But it is time for the nightmare fuel. Wait, first. This is so sad. I look like the moon emoji again, but I think I'm gonna need to take the rest of this off in the shower.
Get on ready with me, New Year's edition. This took me a hot minute to do, and I've had it on for literally like 10 seconds. Let's wipe off these beautiful, luscious, glittery lips. Oh. I'm gonna spray some of this. Oh, here goes the fireworks. Right eye. Left eye. This towel is amazing. Let's get rid of the forehead. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just ripped the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. Do any collectors want this? Because if you don't, I'm throwing it out. Where's my trash can? There it is. Boom. I really love how this makeup turned out, but at the same time, all of my hair, my clothes, my desk, my phone, everything that is in my vicinity is really, really sticky. But I still really love this. If any Hollywood zombie movies need more zombies, I'm like literally right here. Let's do the ASMR. My entire face is covered in everything. Oh. Ew, ew, ew. That was actually really easy. It's sticky, it's sticky! And of course, and of course, the nightmare fuel. Give me a second, yeah? And of course, the nightmare fuel. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. I am mostly clean. Mwah. See you tomorrow. Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off. But let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off.
I'm a plan B regular bitch. I'm a stone cold nasty. I could be a little nasty. I'm a stone cold nasty. I could be a little. I kiss freaks that treat me like an animal. Fuck on me and eat me like a cannibal. I miss fish that rocky orbital. They call me an American origin.
Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching.